to learn how to make popcorn in a bag because we've been talking about it this week. So what do we need? We need a paper bag. We need popcorn kernels. And we need a 1/4 measuring cup, which I have right here, 1/4. You take your measuring cup and you fill it with your popcorn kernels and you open up your bag and you put it in.
Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you guys how to make popcorn in a bag. So I already put my popcorn kernels in my measuring cup already. So now that I've done that.
What size measuring cup?
1/4 of a measuring cup. So now that I've done that, now I'm going to put a paper bag.
You then take your bag and you fold it once, twice, 3 times.
And then when I'm done putting it in my paper bag, now I have to fold it 3 times. 1, 2, 3.
Now take this bag and you put it in the microwave. You set the microwave to the popcorn setting and you listen. If the popcorn kernels start to come to a slow stop, you can turn off the microwave.
Now that I've done folding it, now I'm going to heat it up in the microwave. Then I have to set my microwave on popcorn. Once I hear it done popping, then I can take it out from the microwave, and then after that I could put my salt, or I could use melted butter or pepper. But for me, my opinion, I'd rather use the salt and the melted butter. I'm not a big fan of pepper. But once my popcorn is done popping, then I could put the salt on.
What kind of popcorn did you use, Jessica?
I use gluten-free Orville
Redenbacher. Can you turn it around?
Popcorn kernels. You can actually get it at Publix. I hear it popping. And you guys can even try it at home too. Like, if you're not doing anything, like if you're watching a movie, make popcorn. It's very good, and I did it last year in my class.
Once it gets done, you take it out of the microwave. You put
I can now take it out from the microwave. But be careful, it may be too hot.
You put some toppings on it. I prefer salt. You close up the bag, you shake it up.
Now that is done, now I can put my salt in my popcorn. But you only need to add a pinch of salt. Then once you're done putting the salt in your popcorn, you close it again.
Pick it up and you open it up. Delicious. See you in class.
And then you get a good shaking up. Shake it real good so the salt can blend in with the popcorn. Then when you're done shaking, you can now eat some popcorn. Very good. See you tomorrow.